Hey there, Aaron. Are the fish biting?
They sure are. Fishermen are catching steelhead, browns, and king salmon in the St. Clair River as we speak.
Well, that's great. But I don't have a boat.
That's okay. Lots of people are fishing from shore. There are plenty of spots between the Blue Water Bridge and Black River.
What are they using for bait?
Many use heavy sinkers and a three-way swivel rig to keep their lures in place away from the break wall. Popular lures have been body baits, spoons, spawn bags, and emerald shiner minnows.
Sounds great. Where can I get minnows?
Anderson's Pro Bait in Port Huron or Angler Rod in St. Clair are great spots to check. Call ahead to check what species and sizes of minnows are in stock if you want to fish with live bait.